Think canaries are just tiny yellow birds? Think again! These little singers have a surprising history. First off, canaries aren't just yellow, they come in orange, red, and even white. And their singing skills? Incredible. Male canaries belt out complex songs to impress mates, some even learn tunes from humans. But did you know? Canaries saved lives. In the past, coal miners used them to detect toxic gases. If the birds stopped singing, it was time to run. Despite their tiny size, just 20 grams, canaries can live up to 15 years with proper care. That's a long time for such a small bird. So next time you hear a canary sing, remember, it's more than just a pet, it's a living legend. Like, share, and follow for more amazing bird facts.